Welcome to the first step in Azure VM Mastery, from subscription to security. Today, we'll set up your Azure subscription, explore the Azure Portal, and make sure your account is safe from unexpected charges. Let's get started. First, go to azure.microsoft.com and click on Start Free. Sign up using your Microsoft account or create a new one. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. You'll need a phone number and a valid email. After verifying, agree to the terms and complete your registration. First, once you're signed in, you'll land on the Azure Portal, your cloud command center. Take a quick look. On the left, you'll see services like virtual machines, storage, and networking. At the top, use the search bar to quickly find any service. Customize your dashboard to keep your most used resources easily accessible. To prevent unexpected charges, start by opening the portal and searching for budgets. Click on Budgets, then select Add. Enter a unique name for your budget and specify the amount you want to set, such as $50. Click Next to create an alert that will notify you when you're nearing your limit. For the alert type, choose Actual, and for the percentage of the budget, enter 80. In the email field, type your registered email address, then click Create to finalize the setup. You're all set. You now have a free Azure account, you know your way around the portal, and your budget protection is ready. In the next video, we'll launch your first virtual machine.